Power Industries is a group of air engineering companies which specializes in air technology products, and all these products in one form or the other touch human lives round the clock, 24 hours.
Bry-Air, touching your life round the clock. Providing quality air is what Bry-Air is all about.
We started in a very modest way 25 years ago in 1980. We were brash, we were young, we were willing to adventure. We started our business by even willing to export at that young age. Exported to Thailand, Malaysia, and all around us. Today we find, when we look back, it is our drive that got us to even look at international products and compete in the international arena, therefore even stay ahead of the marketplace in India. In the last 5 years, we have recorded as much or more progress than in the previous 20 years. Today we are a 100 crore plus organization with almost 30 to 40% of our volume coming from export. And what is more importantly is that we have laid out a roadmap which will take us at least 4 times in further growth in the next 5 years. And hopefully we should be able to see that by 2010, ourselves as a 400 crore company with at least 50% of our business volume coming from export. Most of our products, company products, are having desiccant at the core and have products and technologies in relationship with air. We are essentially into 2 areas. One is industrial dehumidification and moisture management, and the second is indoor air quality, which are all again using desiccant as part of the systems approach. This is core part of our technology area, and both are extremely growing because moisture as well as indoor air quality and energy conservation are the tripod on which this whole business is built, and this is the path forward for our company. Bry-Air has always focused on research and development because we focused on localization of our product. We started with not only localization but basic research. We invested in good research chemists, the R&D, and we took a very early initiative in getting ourselves registered as a formal R&D unit with the Department of Science and Technology. Today we have a recognized R&D cell with the Department of Science and Technology for almost 15 years. And we have 5 patents to our credit, and there's a lot more patent work that is currently underway.
My name is Paul Grisey, and I have served as chairman and CEO of a small manufacturing company located in Sunbury, Ohio, called Bry-Air. Bry-Air is a manufacturer of industrial dehumidifiers, among many other things, particularly here in India now. But we formed a joint venture. We, being Bry-Air USA, formed a joint venture with a small company in India almost 30 years ago called Arctic India Sales. Now, back in the days when we were looking at doing business in India, it was a very different India than we know it is today. We transferred our technology to the Indian organization and helped us in as many ways as we could to find and develop the markets in India. and for that matter into Southeast Asia, where we are today, of course. And the interesting thing, at least in my view today, is that we are actually in the process of transferring technologies from India to the United States, which is a kind of a unique happening, I'd say, versus 30 years ago when it was sort of a one-way street between the US and India.
To encourage, motivate, and award excellence in innovative thinking that will enhance India's competitiveness in the HVAC&R industry worldwide, Bry-Air has instituted the Awards for Excellence in HVAC&R.
What we need in HVAC industry in India is a trained manpower, which understand even Bry-Air through Bali is doing the same thing, and which I think is the need of the hour.
I would like to offer my best wishes to Deepak Pava and Bry-Air for this major contribution to the HVAC industry in India. Good luck.
We also have to retain our skilled staff, which is a big challenge, and the only way one can do it is by continuously training the manpower. In this aspect, the initiative taken by Bry-Air of having the institute as well as having innovation award will go a great way, because this will increase the competition and also lead to more innovation, which will help industry in totality.
I have always at various platforms exhorted people to publish their work of systems design or do work which is innovative rather than just be cookie cutting just because we are having more BPOs and call centers coming up and they do a repetitive work. They must do innovative work in terms of system design and product design. And I think this award from the nominations received has showed that there is a lot of good work being done. And I'm sure through this award we would like to have more and more people make the effort to have their work formalized and be put up for recognition. And as we see that moving ahead from year to year, I hope our industry, HVAC industry, which is going to benefit from these awards, will move from strength to strength.